Hello and welcome to this abstract reasoning tutorial. My name is Matthew and in this video I'll be going through 3 common abstract reasoning questions. Before I go through each of the questions, I'll be setting a 20-second timer so that you can have a go at the questions yourself. And then once the timer runs out, I'll go through how to get the correct answer. All of the questions that I'll be going over will look similar to this one. To answer these questions, you need to be able to spot the pattern that the series follows, and then you'll be able to work out what the next figure will look like. So give this question a go yourself, and once the time is up, I'll go through it. Okay, so this question has 2 rules. The first is that a new square is added in an anti-clockwise direction. So we know that in the next figure there should be a square here. So we can rule out A and C. The second rule is that each of the squares alternate between being black and white. So if we just focus on the square in the top left hand corner, we can work out that in the next figure this square should be black, meaning that D is the correct answer. Now let's go on to the next question, and again I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the question. Okay, so this series has 3 rules. The first is that the arrow changes between black and white. So we know that in the next figure the arrow should be black, so we can rule out D. The second rule is that the arrow rotates 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so we can work out that in the next figure the arrow should be pointing towards the right, so we can eliminate B. And the final rule is that the crescent rotates 90 degrees clockwise, so we can work out that in the next figure the crescent should be facing towards the right, meaning that A is the correct answer. Now on to the last question, and again I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the question. Okay, so with this question there are 3 rules. The first is that the colour of the circles alternate between being black and white. So we know that in the next figure all of the circles will be white, so we can rule out B. The second rule is that the number of circles in the bottom half alternates between 3 and 5. So we know that in the next figure there should be a total of 5 circles in the bottom half, so we can eliminate D. And the final rule is that the number of circles above the line increases by 2. So we can work out that in the next figure there should be a total of 10 circles above the line, meaning that A is the correct answer. So those are all of the questions that I have for you in this video. I hope that they helped you, and if they did, please like the video and subscribe. And thank you for watching.